Today I'm going to show you how to make a cold start yogurt in your quick cooker. Cold start yogurt means you just dump everything in cold. You don't have to scald your milk or anything, and it's really easy. You're only going to need 3 ingredients. Half gallon of whole milk, a yogurt starter. Once I get the yogurt made, I use my own yogurt for my starter for the next batch. I just ran out this time. So you can get any type you want. You could get a vanilla, you could get a coconut, whatever you want. This is just a plain 2% yogurt. And then I like to put vanilla extract in mine. Since it is a cold start, we're just going to pour everything in. First, the milk. I do 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of your yogurt starter. Not the easiest to get in. Sometimes I add a little extra. Then I take my mini whipper and I whip it up. That's it. Put on your lid. Select proof. And we are going to change the time. So it takes 8 hours, but the quick cooker only goes up to 6. So we're going to select 6, and then you can either let it all go down and come back and add 2, or once it hits about 4, you add another 2. Press start, and there you go. Our 8 hours are up, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the quick cooker and strain it. At this point, you can just pour it in a bowl and keep it in your fridge and use it for yogurt or smoothies. I prefer to have a slightly thicker yogurt, so I prefer to strain it. I do have my yogurt straining bag already in my pitcher, and when you put it in, make sure to have your pitcher slightly bigger than your bag so the sides of it will stay free, and that'll help the liquid drain out from it. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours until it gets the consistency I like. The yogurt has been in the fridge for about 2 hours and it's at the consistency I like. Now, say you forgot it in there and you left it in overnight and you come back and you're like, wow, that is some thick yogurt. It's okay. Just put it in your bowl and you can slowly take a whisk and whip back in some of the whey liquid that comes out until it gets the consistency you want. Now, since it is still kind of liquidy, it is kind of messy, but it's really good stuff. So it's worth the mess. I store mine in our smallest stainless steel bowl. In the morning, sometimes I have to give it a little mix because you'll notice there is some separation. All that is the whey separating, and you just mix it right back in. It doesn't mean it's gone bad. This lasts me about a week, and like I said, I use it in the morning with granola and fresh fruit, and I even put it in my smoothies. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.